Hello friends, today we are going to learn how to prepare a map using QGIS. QGIS is basically a free version software which is available over the internet freely. It is open source. Now we will learn how to prepare beautiful maps. Most of the researchers or anybody who is working on journals or creating book chapters, they must be coming across few things like creating a map. And here we'll learn how to create a map, beautiful maps you have seen in the journal most probably. Now we'll create map by going to new print layout which you can find under projects. Here we have to create a new layout and we have to give the name. Let us give it as map. Then press enter and this is the window that will appear. Here we have to create the map. And in the left hand side you can find different tools that is going to help you to create the map, and here are different options that is available. Let us start. And first of all we need to bring our map here. For that you have to click on add map option. Click here, then go to one corner, then drag it. Once you drag it, you can see that the map appears. Actually this is nothing but the main QGIS window. Whatever is rendered here, you can see it is displayed here. If you are going to close any of the layer, like I have closed the basin layer, you can see the basin is gone here. And let me activate the basin layer. Once it is activated here, you can find that this is also visible in the main sorry, in the map window. And if we try to move this object to the left hand side so that you can create some space for other things, you have to click on move item content. Click on that and drag this map to the left hand side. And generally you have seen around the map there is coordinate system, or you can say grid. Let us go and give the grid to this map. You can go here. Here it is layout tab, here is item properties, here is guides, and here we'll go for item properties. In the item properties you can go to grids. Here click on this plus sign and your grid option will appear. Then you need to modify this grid. In this modification, and you have to give the spacing of it. I want to give it 0.05. Can see. Let us increase the spacing between them. Let's give it 0.1. Now it is better. You can also give the y direction also 0.1. Now this line are actually very deep. You need to reduce the contrast, or we can make it little bit transparent. Then you can slightly decrease this so that your focus will remain on the map. You can also change the color. Let us make it little bit blue and reduce the opacity of this. Now it is fine. Now let us go back. Now we have to add a frame. We can add a frame here. Let us give zebra frame, and other frame options are also here. Let us give zebra frame, which is very popular. Now we have to give the coordinate. Here when we will go down, we can see here is a coordinate option. Click on draw coordinates and your coordinate will appear here. And if you want to change this coordinate system, like here it is in decimal format. If you want it in degree, minute and the second format, you can click here. If you want to make it decimal with suffix, then other options are also there here. You can degree minutes, you can change this with decimals, with suffix, alignment. Here I will keep this. And if you can see here, after this decimal point there are three numbers. Let us reduce this coordinate precision to 1. Okay, and let us remove the second part. Yes, let us remove the second part and make this precision to 0. Now it is better. Now let us, you can see here in the left hand side and the right hand side, these are aligned horizontally. These coordinates are aligned horizontally, and it will occupy some space. When you are designing any book or you are doing it for any journal, then the main thing is that you have to give a lot of thing in limited amount of space, so that you need to reduce some space. So for that, in the left hand side, you can see, let us do in vertical direction. Let us do in vertical ascending direction. In the right hand side, let us do the right hand side vertical descending direction. Now it is good. Now if you want to increase the spacing between this frame and the coordinate written here, you can simply make it, let us take 1.5 mm distance. Okay, and here you can change this font style. Let's go back and also change the font style. Then you can also change the size, everything here you can manage. In this font, if you go the size, here is the option size. Let us increase this size. I think now it is better. Then go back, and we need to add a north sign here. Here you can click on north and you can drag it here. Okay, you can, if you want, you can also add different frames here. Black color frame you can add, and now we will add some scale bar. You have seen in different types of map, you must have a scale bar. Here it is the scale bar. Now I want to display the legends here. Means here it can see, here it is the legends. That is the elevation, then stream network. Let us add this legends here. What we'll do, here is the option for where it is, yes, here, go drag here. Now your legends will be added. Now if you want to change this title and other things, then you have to click here. Here is the option auto update. If you want to update anything here, then you have to update from the main page. Here means in the main page, if you will update here, all the things will be updated here. But I don't want any update from the main window, I want to manually do it. Then uncheck this, then you can write this. Like if you want to remove this India map option, then you can click on this, select this, then click on minus sign, and this will be removed. And here we can say this red line is the stream network. Click, double click here, you can change it to stream network. Okay, stream network. Like here, let us change this name also and change it to okay. Sorry, let us double click here change to elevation in meters. Okay, now it is ready. Want to add a frame here so that it will look beautiful, you can go here and add frame. Click on this, and if you want to change the color of the frame, and click on this. I want to make it somewhat red. Okay, now I want to change this writing inside this frame to different color, and change this to bold. Then you can click on font and see you can change here. I want to make it bold, you have to click here. If I want to make item fonts to bold, you can click here, then press OK. Now it is OK. Want to change this, then drag it here and to click this. And to make some space here, we can change this not to here, drag it and place it here. Now you must have seen that most of the journal and books will display here the original map, means this is the part of some map and it has been extracted, so that to know it, to give a proper reference to this map, we can add here the base map. For that you can also, for that first you have to lock this frame, so that when so that you have to click lock layer, so that if you want to change anything in the frame, like here, if you close this layer, you can see there is no change here. It will not be changed because you have locked this layer. This is very important. And now let us display India map. This is a part of the this basin has been collected from India map. Here it is. You can see here it is, and for a reference I want to show that this part belongs to India. This item that has been extracted belongs to India. So I need to display this India map in the some part of this map. Now you can see that this part is now displayed. Now we'll go to this, then we'll add this, add map setting. You can see this map has been added. Okay, this map has been added. If you want to move this map inside, and if you want to make it bigger, then you can hold this control option and scroll your mouse, and you can see this is now getting zoomed. And let us move it to middle. Now okay, now if you want to provide some arrow or the line for the reference, you can also add. Here is the option. You can also, now your map is ready. Thank you for having your patience and learning how to create maps. Please subscribe to my channel and have a good day. And before that, I will say how to export it into the image format, and let us now save it. After saving it, and we can simply go layout and export as image. Simply you can go here, then you can have it in JPG format, then click on save, and here it will ask for different what is the width, then simply click save. Now it has been saved. You can simply go to okay, here is our map. You can say our map is ready. You can also prepare beautiful map using this. Thank you. Please subscribe to my channel.